Modding and online gaming, can they coexist?
Hello there, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to tackle an essential question that we all ponder upon. Will installing mods affect my ability to play online with others? Let's dive in to find out how mods can impact your multiplayer gaming experience.
What are mods?
First things first, let's clarify what we mean by mods. Mods, short for modifications, are alterations to a game that can change aspects such as visuals, gameplay mechanics, or adding new content. Some mods are cosmetic, changing only the appearance of game elements, while others may introduce entirely new gameplay mechanics or elements.
How can mods affect online play?
Now, on to the crucial part. How do mods affect your ability to play online with others? It mainly depends on the game you are playing and the nature of the mod. In some games, especially those with strict multiplayer rules and anti-cheat mechanisms, mods can cause issues. For instance, using mods might result in penalties such as temporary or permanent bans if they are considered as providing an unfair advantage or disrupting the gameplay for others. Other games, however, have a more mod-friendly approach. These games either have specific servers that allow for modded gameplay or have inbuilt support for mods. In these cases, everyone on the server may need to have the same mod installed to play together.
What precautions can you take?
Before installing a mod, here are a few precautions you should take. Check the game's policy on mods. Some games are very clear about their stance on mods. It's always a good idea to read up on the game's mod policy before installing any. Use approved or recommended mods. Some games or communities provide a list of approved mods that are safe to use and won't disrupt the multiplayer experience. Back up your game files. Before installing any mod, it's always a smart idea to back up your original game files. This step can help you restore the game to its original state if the mod causes any issues. So, can you use mods while playing online? The answer is a conditional yes. It depends on the game, the mods, and how you use them. Always remember to check the mod policy of the game and use mods responsibly to ensure a smooth and fun gaming experience. We hope this video has been enlightening and will aid you in navigating the exciting world of modded gaming. Happy gaming!